Here we go. Day 2, starting the excavator. Put the key in the ignition. Ready, Dave? Smoked a little bit when it started up. Runs good though. Ran it all day yesterday. Took down a whole bunch of trees. I'll show you real quick. I'll spin the phone around. Took all of these down here. Cleared up. Just pushed all this stuff back there right now. And then after we get the shipping container moved, all out the door here. We have to clean up over there. There's a bunch of trees, little purple marks on them. We got to clear up there. We got to clear all 50 feet from this little road right here, all the way back to there. About it's going to be 50 feet long from here to there, and about 30 feet deep into there. And then we can move the shipping container, which is way over. Hold on, let me jump off the excavator. Shipping container's over there, right there. We got to turn it around and bring it in over here, and the big doors have to face that way. That's day 1 for shipping container. We're gonna have another shipping container coming in. Look at this beast. This thing runs amazing. Runs good. Look at it. Check the oil. I check the hydraulic fluids. Smoke a little bit less. That's just normal. It's a 1986, 89 or something like that. And there's we're over here. There's the trees we got to clear. Little things, whole bunch of back there, a bunch of dead ones. There's a bunch of dead ones back there we got to take down. Just a tool, clean them up right there. I don't want anything dead around here, any deadfall, anything close. These are leaners. We just got to clean it out. And these are all going to be for timber. We got an outhouse to build and a few other little things to build, which is nice. And really, we're starting, this is a new life. I retired, and I'm moving off grid. If you like it, please subscribe. Hey, and the comment. I read the comments. I will read them. I do read some. I get a couple. And share it. Because I want to grow this little channel. Oops, so we're over here. Clean all that up. Marked a few trees we decided to keep them. The solar panels are going way over there. Alright, take care. Bye.